we will suffer from losing fertility over time. So this is the main idea about what we do. And the second thing that I would like to highlight is that about this lab, because it's a laboratory of chemistry, so it's a horizontal lab. So we can focus on soil research and also on biology as well. But also we can focus on plant and on the nutrition and quality of seeds. So basically, I'm an engineer in food industry, so I try to perform some analysis regarding the quality of nutrition in order to deal with the hidden hunger. You know, about micronutrients, especially iron and zinc. Yeah, you know, several million of people are suffering from this kind of hidden hunger regarding micronutrient deficiency, especially iron and zinc, which leads to anemia. And anemia, you know, it compromises our physical performance, which leads to decrease our performance as a person and as an individual, but also it could compromise also our economy as a country. So I think it's a kind of global problem, global concept that we need to deal with all together in order to solve sustainable solution.
Could you talk about an example of any type of research or experiment you did here that led to a breakthrough on a particular method or product to help the farmers? Anything that you researched here that was like an eureka, we found these?
Yeah, the main research that we are focusing on. So let me cite an example. So as I mentioned previously that Mr. Settat is a PhD student, and we are trying to focus on trying to establish the link between food safety and composting process. So what I can say that regarding food safety, so there are a lot of problems that we can deal with. So, and composting could allow us to, first of all, to restitute organic matter to soil. And I mentioned that our soils as a semi-arid region are relatively poor in terms of soil organic matter. Okay, and then we can also revalorize this bio-waste in order to reduce greenhouse gas emission, which is very important in terms of our environmental as an environmental issue solution, and also to bioremediate through composting to reduce those pesticides, because you know in conventional system we use pesticide, and those pesticides could be found in our food, in our table. So, and through those stabilized organic matter, we can reduce the level of these chemicals, and I think we can achieve three goals at the same time. So, okay. Any question? Okay, go.
Do you do much research in terms of the development of drought-tolerant varieties?
Honestly, we are here two researchers, me and myself, and the young researcher was hired last year. So we cannot perform we cannot focus on different fields of research, and to be honest, and to be realistic as well. So that's why we are focusing essentially on bio-waste management, bio-waste valorization, bio-composting process, and the younger researcher will focus on physics soil, and he's right now on training in Belgium. We hope that when he comes back, so he can contribute significantly in order to broaden our horizon, in order to contribute. And that's why we are trying to integrate all these students, master students and PhD students, in order to get the maximum from this lab. But I think we are trying our best. Yeah, for sure, our best is not enough, but we are ambitious and we are optimistic in order to yeah, in order to maybe to produce more research, more and to get published more patent in the future.
I think we have to move, but thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're already- Give him a hand.